Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to edit nickname in Instagram in just a few simple steps. If you're looking for a way to edit and change your nicknames on Instagram on your Instagram chat message, I'll walk you through a few simple steps. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To edit your nickname in Instagram chat, first of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're in, tap the message icon at the top right corner of the screen to access your chats. Here, you'll find a list of conversations with your friends. Locate the chat where you want to update your nickname and open it. Inside the chat conversation, tap your friend's name at the top of the screen. This will bring up your friend profile settings page. Look for the nicknames option and tap on it. Now, you'll see both your name and your friend's name. To change your nickname, simply tap on your name. A pop-up will appear. Delete the old nickname and type in the new one you want to use. When you're happy with your new nickname, tap the Done button. That's it. Your nickname is now updated, and only you and your friend will see it within the chat.